In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iMessage and FaceTime being grayed out in iPhone settings. If you've ever experienced this issue, you know how frustrating it can be to find that these essential communication apps are not functioning as they should. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a couple of reliable solutions to get them back up and running smoothly. First, let's start by checking your screen time restrictions. These settings might unintentionally be preventing iMessage and FaceTime from being activated. To do this, grab your iPhone and open up the Settings app. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, you'll want to head over to Content and Privacy Restrictions. If you haven't enabled these yet, you'll need to toggle it on to make any changes. After that, tap on Allowed Apps. Here is where you'll see a list of applications that have been given permission to be used. It's crucial to ensure that both FaceTime and messages are turned on. If they weren't enabled before, simply tap the switch to allow them. This check should resolve the issue for many of you who might have unknowingly restricted these apps through your screen time settings. If checking these settings doesn't do the trick, don't worry. There's another common cause for this issue that we're going to tackle next: the date and time settings on your device. Believe it or not, having incorrect date and time settings can sometimes interfere with iMessage and FaceTime. To address this, head back into Settings and navigate to General. From there, tap on Date and Time. Once you're in this menu, you'll want to make sure the option Set Automatically is turned on. This ensures your device uses the network provided date and time, which is typically the most accurate. Double check that the time zone you're in is correctly displayed. Being in the wrong time zone might be a subtle issue that affects the activation of iMessage and FaceTime. If both these solutions have been applied and the services are still grayed out, it might be worth restarting your device to refresh all the settings. Sometimes a simple reboot can solve lingering glitches related to system settings. Remember, technology can be unpredictable, but with these steps, you've covered the most common bases for this particular issue. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. If your iMessage and FaceTime are up and running again, that's fantastic. Should you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to visit a professional who might assist with more advanced troubleshooting. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Until next time, take care and stay tech savvy.